All right, we should be live. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Noah Williams Show. My name is Noah Williams, and I am going to be your host. We got two special guests here to start season 3 up in Erie, Pennsylvania.
Woo!
We got Jason Bussey, our sponsor from Niles Paint. And we got Matthew Bussey, who's been here in season 2. So, we're going to talk to Jason, mainly, because that's who we're going to interview today. So, how much paint do you use a year? Like, gallons of paint do you use a year? Like, statistics.
It's over 10,000 for sure.
Over 10,000
Over
gallons.
10,000 gallons.
That's a lot of gallons.
That's a lot in 1 year.
Yeah, just the paint life, man. The paint life.
So one question, what were your biggest paint jobs?
Oh, man. We've been doing it so long. I'll tell you, a good big one in Niles was the Board of Education storage area, which used to be the Mount Carmel basketball court.
Yes.
I mean, that was a local big one. That's probably the best one because it was a Niles project. We also painted the press boxes and the band shell at the football stadium.
That's a big one.
Yeah, and those were donations, so that was pretty cool to do too.
All right.
Once a dragon, always a dragon, man.
That's right. And you know, our press boxes are blue. I know we're called the Red Dragons,
Yeah.
but red fades away too quickly in the sun.
If you talk to
right.
any paint professional,
So we went with so we decided to go with our other color, which is blue.
That's
Yeah.
right.
And red dragons live in blue houses. I mean, that's why we're red and blue.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
No, tell them where we're at today, dude.
Yeah.
Tell them where we're at.
We are at Waldemere Park here in Erie. Is a
right.
big amusement park, water place.
Yep, right on
They
Prescott.
had wave pools. They had roller coasters. I mean,
Yeah. Who
This
brought
is-
us out here today? Who brought us out?
this guy.
That's right. Niles Paint Family Picnic,
Niles
right?
Paint.
Yeah.
Yep. And I got invited to it, being the host of the Noah Williams Show.
That's right.
So I'm
Waters.
happy to be able to start season 3 right here in Erie. Season 3 is going to be a pretty exciting season.
Yeah.
I got Madeline Bussey that's about to come on. I got
The whole clan, man.
a big clan coming.
Yep. Trying to get the fall sports coaches
Yeah.
when they're available.
Trying to get the fall sports coaches when they're available to begin before they, this year's the 100th anniversary year of Niles Band. So
Right.
I'll have Carla Dean coming on in episode 2. That'll be our next
Yeah,
episode.
that'll be a good one. That'll be a good one.
Yeah, she's a Hall of Fame band director, Niles alumni.
Yep. Big shout out to the Niles Marching Band.
Big
Best
shout.
band in the land, right?
Yep, that's best high school band in the land.
Yeah.
High school band.
For
Let's
sure.
say high school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've had a lot of good band directors. Mr. O's doing great now. Hopefully he'll continue to do great for a while. But yeah.
Oh
it's been
yeah,
awesome.
Mr. Orlando, he's amazing.
Mhm.
He got the march in the Rose Bowl at Pasadena.
Yep.
That is so
Yeah.
cool.
I mean,
Not a lot of people get to do that.
Niles
Right.
produces the best, man.
That's right.
That's what we do. We produce the best.
So what was your favorite thing at Waldemere so far, Noah?
Water sliding,
Water
thrill
sliding
riding.
and thrill riding.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Those two.
Well, we got 1 hour left, dude. You want to try to get some more rides in?
We're gonna do that.
Alright.
We're gonna get that going once we end this episode.
Alright.
So what's some questions you can ask me? You have any questions you want to ask me?
I mean, what's your take on? Niles, man.
Very hype.
I mean,
Very
you're the fireworks
Noah-fied.
master.
I am a fireworks king.
You were talking about some goals.
I'm really good with goals.
I mean, you're talking about your T-shirt thing you want to put together.
I want to put together a new T-shirt brand called Born Like This
There it
brand.
is.
Yeah,
Show that, it'd be really cool.
yeah. Take pride.
Take pride,
What are you putting on the back of that shirt?
Born to be popular, born to be famous, born to be rich.
There it is.
Those three things.
Yeah.
And listen, I could get rich, you know, for sitting here talking to you doing this podcast, you know.
Oh,
and
yeah.
people could be watching and they don't even have to pay a penny.
Yep.
They can just start watching and sharing and liking.
Yeah, that's the best thing for
And
you.
speaking of that, please watch, like, share, subscribe,
right.
follow. The more we can get, the more successful
That's
we
right.
can become.
On
so,
every platform, get it.
on every platform, not just Instagram, not just Facebook, not just YouTube. We're on iHeartRadio, we're on Deezer, we're on Spotify, we're on Pandora,
Yep.
we're
Find
on
'em everywhere,
Amazon Music,
Yep.
we're on
No
Apple
Williams
Podcasts.
Find it, like, subscribe, everything. Let's get
We're
it done.
on every major platform except for TuneIn. We are not on TuneIn.
Nah, but you
so-
can tune in to my boy anytime
But you can
he's
tune
on.
in. You can tune into
That's right.
this.
That's right.
You can tune into this. Yeah. So anyway, I'm on TikTok. I'm on almost everything.
Yeah.
TikTok, Lemon8, Twitter, which is now X. I don't really post a lot on X.
And I hear MySpace is coming back, so I'm sure he's going to be getting on MySpace too. Check
Yeah.
it out. I heard it's making a comeback, dude. That's what everybody's saying.
Yeah.
MySpace is coming back.
And let me talk to y'all about season 3. Okay, so the season starts in Erie, which is the episode right now.
Dragons on location.
We're gonna try to get all the fall sports. We're gonna try to get the fall sports coaches, including girls soccer and football. Want to get Coach McMillan on. Want to get the new head coach of football on, Coach
Yeah.
K. Have you met him?
I have. I've been lucky enough to share the field with him a couple times, and I am excited. The energy he's bringing to this team, how excited the team seems to be. I think it's going to be a big year for the Dragons.
Can you
this
tell
year.
him about my podcast? I want to get him on.
I'll let him know. He's a busy man right now. He's trying to turn things around and bring back that Dragon fire to the team. And so far, it seems like it's there, man. I'm super excited for the football team this year.
We'll get him. I'll try to get him on the weekend.
Yeah, see what we can do. I'll let him know. I'll talk to him.
Yeah, we'll get something going. Other than that, I mean, there's going to be an episode in Indianapolis this year. It will be in November. There will be
That's
a
that big-
Veterans Day episode.
Oh, that's
That
gonna
will be
good.
on November 11th. It will be a veteran. We'll have a veteran come on.
That'll be a good one.
Yep.
We should always respect our veterans. I know we should learn that in school, just how hard the work is that veterans put in, especially like in these history classes.
And all the freedom we got because of them, right?
And all the freedom we got because of them.
Yeah.
People, not a lot of teenagers even realize.
Yeah.
Nope, not at all. Big sacrifice, man.
It's a big sacrifice.
Let them
And
know why you're going to be in Indianapolis, man. Let them know.
Going to the Cowboys at Colts game, but I'm
There
going to
it
do an
is.
episode at Indy.
There
so
it is.
it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yep, your boy Noah's a Cowboys fan.
Yeah, I am a Dallas Cowboys fan.
I feel
I
bad
know.
for him, but somebody's got to be a Cowboys fan.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Anyway, the finale episode, which will be in late November, it will be the Ohio State Michigan special episode.
Oh, yeah, man.
That's gonna be the finale.
Yeah, that stinky
Season.
state up north, dude. That
Yeah,
stinky state up north.
Ohio.
Ooh.
OH.
Io.
That's right. Go Bucks.
Well, maybe they'll make it to the national championship to play Notre Dame.
Jay Buss is a big Notre Dame fan.
I know.
ND. Niles Dragons, Notre Dame, man. It's an obvious connection.
Yeah, I get it. Well, anyway,
All right, man. You want to close this up? We'll go get some rides in.
all right, we're
All
going
right.
to close up the episode. I want to thank Jason and Matthew for coming on today. Today's going to be a pretty short episode.
Having
But
too much fun out here. That's why we're having
yes,
way
we're
too much
we're
fun.
just having a lot of fun right now. So we will see y'all in another episode. Next episode, we'll have Carla Dean come on and cut.